How to see date and time of a text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Scroll down and open any chat from here. You can now view all the messages in this chat. If you want to check the date and time of any message, then go over to that message and check the information above it. You will find the day, date, and time of the message over here. Another way to view the time is by holding the message and swiping left. As you can see, you can check the message time from here. This way, you can use the same process for any text that you want. Following these steps, you can easily see date and time of a text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.